Welcome to Answer It Riddle Part 1. If you really think yourself intelligent, I challenge you to answer 10 riddles. If you can answer all these riddles, then your IQ is more than anybody. At the end comment how many riddles you could answer. And remember, no cheating. You will be given 20 seconds for each riddle. So let's start. Riddle number 1. The first riddle is, I have keys but open no locks. I have space but no room. You can enter, but you can't leave. What am I? The answer will be a keyboard. A keyboard has many keys but no locks, it have a space button but no rooms, and you can press enter but you cannot leave. Riddle number 2. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? The answer is footsteps. The more you move forward, the more you leave behind your footsteps. Riddle number 3. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I? The answer will be an echo. An echo has no body, neither mouth nor ears, but still it can hear our sound and say us the same what we say. Riddle number 4. I am not alive, but I can grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. I don't have a mouth, but water kills me. What am I? The answer will be fire. Fire can grow bigger, needs air to burn and water kills it. Riddle number 5. I have cities but no houses, forests but no trees, and rivers but no water. What am I? The answer is a map. A map has everything, rivers, cities, forests and even houses, but it does not have any water. Riddle number 6. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? The answer is a hole. The more you dig out a hole, the more bigger it gets. Riddle number 7. I fly without wings, I cry without eyes. Wherever I go, darkness follows me. What am I? The answer is cloud. Clouds don't have eyes but they shed water, they don't have wings but fly and their shadow brings darkness. Riddle number 8. I am always running, but I never walk. I have a bed, but I never sleep. I have a mouth, but I never speak. What am I? The answer is a river. A river runs, has a bed but cannot sleep, has a mouth but never speaks. Riddle number 9. I can be long or short, I can be happy or sad. You can find me on paper, but I'm not written. What am I? The answer is shadow. A shadow can be long or short, a shadow can be of a happy or sad person, it can be on paper but never written. Riddle number 10. I can be cracked, made, told, and played. What am I? The answer is a joke. The joke can be cracked, made, told and played. With this we came to the end of our riddles part 1. I hope you liked the riddles. How many could you get right? Drop in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for part 2. Thank you for watching.